Wonder what blockchain transactions look like? Curious how your trades are being used as arbitrage and sandwich opportunities? Want to understand the DeFi market's microstructure? Here are 3 ways EigenTx benefits beginners. Number 1, unlock the blockchain. Explore on-chain transactions like never before. Track your favorite chain, investigate transactions, and uncover valuable insights. Let's walk through how EigenTx empowers you. Simply input a hash link into our search box and voila! You'll have access to a wealth of information that EigenPhi has gathered about this transaction. Here's a simple arbitrage transaction that swapped tokens across 2 trading platforms. And with our token flow chart feature, visual clarity is just a glance away. Number 2, visualize your journey with EigenTx. Have token flow life cycles and transaction maps presented right in front of you. Ever wondered where the highly profitable arbitrage opportunity in the previous case comes from? EigenTx's affiliated transaction feature gives you a map of specific transactions. Like this background arbitrage, you can find which trade it was targeting and all the arbitrages the bot had done when viewing all transactions in the same block, initiated from the same from address, and all the transactions in which assets flew to the same to address. What's more, enter multiple transaction hashes into our search box and behold detailed information about each transaction. With just one click, our multi-TX in one chart feature offers you an eagle's eye view map of those transactions, making the value trail easier to track and potential opportunities simpler to spot. Number 3, learn as you grow. We understand that navigating the world of DeFi can be overwhelming. That's why we've curated a guidebook of use cases featuring 14 scenarios across 3 levels catering to DeFi novices, intermediate learners, and experts. User-friendly language, step-by-step instructions, precise links to each page, and visual aids will help you break the knowledge barrier. Plus, we continually release these use cases in video format to offer you a more immersive understanding of the DeFi world. We aim to transform you into a DeFi pro in no time, and we're not alone in our mission. As Delphi Digital's analyst at 0x Zoe posted, pretty cool transaction analysis tool. Delve into the world of DeFi with the tool trusted by industry professionals. Don't wait. Join as an EigenTx user now. Imagine the possibilities. Unlock the blockchain, visualize your journey, and learn as you grow, all in one user-friendly platform. View and download the EigenTx booklet from the links below. Subscribe to our channel for cutting-edge tools and analysis. We are the wisdom of DeFi.